Let's look at how ChatGPT can help us write our resume to sound more standard or to sound more professional. I have a resume which is old. I use that to apply for some jobs, but I want this resume to be more professional, to look like it was written by someone with more experience than me. The way to get this done is to come out to ChatGPT, give it some prompt. An example prompt looks something like this: act as a senior resume writer, and so when I'm done giving the prompts, then I paste exactly what I did at that particular job, and it came up with more creative way to rewrite that experience. Wow, this is so amazing. With this, you don't really need a resume writer anymore. You can basically just do this yourself. Come up with some prompts, give it the prompt to GPT, and copy whatever it has given to you. Modify your resume, and voila, you have a standard resume. You can also do the same thing for your summary. You can say, write a summary for. Yes. This is so amazing. Came up with the summary for this, and I can just modify this and copy that and update my resume, and I have a very strong resume. Very easy. Thank you.